Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I am embarking on an exciting journey that I want to share with you. I challenged myself to make 100k in 100 days by selling digital products. And yep, you hear me right. 100k in 100 days. Can I do it? Well, there's only one way to find out. Before we dive into the challenge, let me tell you a bit about myself. I'm a beginner developer, an expert Notion template creator, and have a bit of a marketing background. I always believed in providing value to people's life, and with these skills, I'm ready to take my ambitious challenge. So how am I going to achieve this? Here's the game plan. First, create a high quality Notion templates. I leverage my expertise to design templates that are not only functional but also aesthetically pleasing. Second is platforms to use. I'll be using Gumroad, Etsy, and Notion Store for my main platforms for selling digital templates. Then marketing strategy. With my background in marketing, I'll be focusing on my products through social media, CEO, and perhaps even some paid ads after seeing some results. Fourth, engaging with my audience. I'll be talking to the people who are pain points and direct sell my products. So now there are my 4 methods. Every week I'll be sharing updates on my progress. I'll be talking about my works and how well it's going and what's not working and the lessons I'm learning, etc. Transparency is the key, and I want you to all see the real ups and downs of this challenge. So will I reach 100k in 100 days? I guess we have to find it together. And if you're interested in digital products, Notion templates, or just want to follow along this crazy journey, make sure to hit that subscribe button and like this video and maybe leave a comment below. Your support means the world to me, and I can't wait to share this adventure with you all. Let's make this happen together. See you in the next video.